Staring at a blank campaign form is rough. What's the subject line? The targeting? The tone? You just want to describe the idea and move on. That's exactly what the Campaign Composer Playground is for. Open AI, click the Composer tab, and pick a campaign type. Discovery, Enrichment, AI Outreach, or Code Outreach. Then choose your input mode, type it or hit. Start recording and just talk. Describe your campaign in plain words. Find heads of marketing at Series A, fintech startups in Berlin who recently hired their first SDR. Pitch our automation platform. Friendly tone, book a 20-minute call. Click Compose Campaign and the AI fills out the entire spec for you. Not quite right. Type a note in, refine the campaign. Make the first email shorter, add a 3-day follow-up, and click Refine. It reshapes the same spec instantly, no starting over. Every run shows its live credit cost right in the balance line, so there are never any surprises. Warnings and suggestions surface right above the generated spec, catching issues before you ever launch. This is your Sandbox. Test freely, refine fast, and launch only when it's exactly right. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.